YouTube, I'm gonna make a Mr. Planet account, and also this is how you make one. First, click new user. If you're a boy, choose a boy. If you're a girl, choose a girl. Okay, I'm gonna click a girl. You could change your skin color right here, right there, that box. And if you don't like the eyes, click the face. Change eyes, nose, and mouth, I guess. Okay, so there's hair. And also when you log on to the login screen, make sure that Anonymous is not on the login screen. If you don't know who Anonymous is, just search it up. It's sorry, not A-N, A-O-M, A-N-O-N-Y-M-O-U-S. If you want to do something random, like if you're doing a video, just click random girl. Just click random girl. Or random boy. Ew. Yeah, ugly face. Ah. Ugly face. Sorta looks better, but big eyeballs. Sorta better, but ugly hair. Face, face, my face, face, my face. Okay, so, when you're done, just click OK done. Then you could choose any username, but if it says, like for example, if I put hey, then you click password on. Ouch. And it says users already used, so put another username. Like for example, Yucky Fugly Ducky. Like that. See, it's not taken. Ah! Put the password. So yeah, sorry if it's dark. So yeah, anyways, it's 3 minutes already, and choose a month, choose my hands, sorry, if you see my hands look dark because there's no light. So click I accept. So click accept, and then you're all ready. So bye YouTube. Bye. Bye.